In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to connect MetaTrader 5 with Vantage. The process is simple and only takes a few minutes to complete. First, open up MetaTrader 5 and make sure you are logged in. Then head over to the Manage Accounts. There you will find an option for brokers. Tap on Brokers. You will see the Broker Search option. Search for Vantage in the search bar. Once the results appear, choose the server that matches your account type and region. After selecting the correct server, you can either create a new account or log in with an existing one. Enter your login ID and password, then tap Login. Once logged in, your MetaTrader 5 account will be successfully connected to Vantage. And that's all you need to do. Your trading account should now be linked and ready to use. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share your feedback, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.